Hi, I want to take some time today to show you some of the great features of a product called VideoOverPlay. We are all finding a way to use video on our blogs, on our websites, and one of the things that can be challenging is getting traffic to your site when you're first starting up. And one way to do that is to incorporate video. So I'm going to show you how I have used VideoOverPlay in a client site and then give you some information about the product. What this allows you to do is to put overlaid information on any video you choose when that video has been uploaded into YouTube, and there are other features available as well. Then you can put a call to action, you can put survey questions. I will show you all those features and show you the demo video, but I want to explain why I'm taking the time to share this with you. I work with clients in the well-being niche, and I have clients coming in at different levels. And one of the things that is important is considering the budget of a startup well-being business. They are conserving their capital, and they want to spend their money wisely. So the price of this resource is incredibly reasonable at $27 and $37 for the upgrade, and it does everything you need to do. If you already have existing videos that you're using for a coaching program, or you are explaining technique to people, then what you can do is you can have people opt in to your videos that you've created, but you can also add relevant videos from YouTube and bring them into your website and bring in additional content that is then SEO friendly and will drive some traffic, organic traffic to your site. Now, this is different from someone who is a client of mine where I'm working on developing their videos with them from scratch through a webinar program and webinar platform, and we're developing their marketing funnel through a webinar platform. So if you are new and starting out and you need to work your way up and grow your business to the point where a webinar platform like Easy Webinar or Webinar Jam offers some of these features, but at a much higher price point. It's 10 times the amount of money that you'll need to invest. So that's why I'm showing you this, and with that I'm just going to show you how I have set this up in a startup website that I built for one of my clients. Now here I am. I'm the ghost in the little box here, but this will give you an opportunity to see how VideoOverPlay works in a YouTube video that has been added to the site for my client. So you can see the animation for the social shares right here. And as you watch this video, you can see that it's very engaging. It's a YouTube video, but it is relevant to the work and the content that my client is offering on her site. So it's a great choice. It's beautiful, it's captivating, and it's giving people the opportunity to take a moment, stay engaged, spend some time on the site. You're going to watch this video if you're on here, and that's the kind of stick rate that Google and other organic search engines want to see, that you have a stick rate on your site. And this is one of the best reasons to use video and to use it wisely. Now I've progressed the video, and you can see that we've selected a time where we have given people enough time to watch and enjoy the video, enough time to use the social share, and now we have the pop-up, which gives people the opportunity to sign up to my client's email list right from this video. And this is a very effective process for her. We've uploaded other videos on her site, but I think this is a good one to use as an example of how you can increase your stick rate on your website, and then also add the information for people to sign up to your email list from a video that they've just enjoyed. So now I'm going to pop over to a full demo about the product, because it makes sense for the product owner to explain how this works, and that'll just be a second. Okay.
Of the entire plugin so you can see how it works and all the different features that we have. First up, we have the settings panel here, and once you enter your activation key, we have a few different options for you to kind of disable the plugin globally or disable it on mobile devices. We have the option for you to link your social networks, all the different networks that you use for your business. You can easily link those into your video overplay videos, and then we give you the option to integrate your autoresponder. Now, if we jump over here to the overplay manager, you can see that we have the option to create a new overplay, and you're going to see all the different overplays that I already created. So let's go ahead and create a new one really quick so I can show you what it looks like. So I just give this a name like that there, overplay for demo. Then I'm going to click on next. And when I do that, we now need to configure our video. So I would need to enter my YouTube video link here, whichever video that I'm wanting to apply this overplay effect to it. I would add that. And then we have a few different customization options for your video. The size, do you want to autoplay it? We can upload some still images. And then at the bottom here, we have 5 different options to choose from on which overplay we would like to apply to this video. So we can apply the email opt-in, the social sharing options, we can create a funnel, we can add a call to action button, or we can add an HTML banner. And whichever one you want to use, you're just going to click on the box here. And when you do that, you're going to notice along the top that we have a new option here of settings once we select one of these overplay options. You're going to see it appear at the top here, and if I uncheck it, you're going to see it goes away. And I will quickly just go ahead and show you what all of these look like inside of the settings panel. So I went ahead and I put a demo YouTube video up here, and once you have your overplay settings selected, you're going to click on next. Next up, we have some video SEO settings, so you can give it a custom SEO title and a custom SEO description. And once you have that, click on next one more time. And the first one we have here is the social settings. So for each of the features, the first options are going to be time. At what time into the video would you like this feature to appear? Okay, so 5 seconds into the video, I'm going to have these appear, and then I'm going to have my social icons leave the video at another time if I wanted to. You're going to see all the different networks that we have available that you can link inside of your video. We have different icon sets. You can choose which one matches your video the best. We give you the option for a social headline, what type of sharing you want to do, and we have a ton of different animation styles for when the icons come into the video and when the icons leave the video. We can change the position, where they're positioned at on the video, and things like that. If I go ahead and click on next, we have the email opt-in. Again, we have the time frame of when we want the opt-in to come into the video. We have a bunch of different text, the opt-in headline, a skip text, the wait message and thank you message. We have different button styles, how you want the button to look when they subscribe to your email list. Of course, we have our opt-in form settings that you will need to link to your autoresponder. And then we have the same animation styles that we had on the last one. If I click on next again for the funnel, this is going to allow us to pause the video and ask our visitor a question. And depending on which answer they choose, you can choose to redirect them to a different video. So as you can see,
now I'm pausing this now because I will tell you that this is one of the most powerful features of this product at $27, and that is to be able to work with your responsive information from people who come in and watch your video, and that you're then able to direct them where you need them to go next. You have a lot of flexibility here, and this is very important when you're really targeting your market, because you can ask very important questions, and based on the replies that people give you, you choose where to send them next in your marketing funnel. This is super powerful, and I will tell you, working with my clients to help them develop their marketing funnels, this is one of the easiest ways to demonstrate the concept of how powerful this can be for growing your list and growing your business. Okay, we're going to carry on here.
Here we have a question box here. We type out our question. For example, would you rather increase your conversions or your traffic to your website? We have answer 1, I could put conversions, and for answer 2, I could put traffic. And then here for the video ID URL 1, and then we have video ID URL 2, these are going to be YouTube links to different videos. So for video 1, if they answer conversions, I can link them to a YouTube training that is talking about how to increase your conversions. And same thing for video number 2, I can link them to a YouTube video if they choose traffic that talks about increasing traffic. Again, we have the same different button styles for each answer you can choose from, and then of course the different animation settings for that question. Click on next again, and here we have the call to action. This is going to allow you to have a call to action button and headline come into your video and try to get them to click your button and redirect them to a different link, a different website. So we have again the time of when you want this to come into the video. We have the CTA headline, the button text, and the link that you would like to redirect them to once they click that button. We have the different button styles again and the different animations to bring that call to action into the video. Hit next one more time and we have an HTML ad banner. This is going to allow you to have a banner size of your choice fade into the video, and it gives you the option to redirect them wherever you want them to go. It's kind of like the call to action, but instead of a title and a button, this is going to be just an HTML banner. So you enter the time that you would like this to come into the video. You're going to upload your banner image here, the banner size, and then the link that you would like to redirect them to, along with your different animation settings. And last but not least, we have an overplay analysis here that's going to provide you statistics to all the different video overplays that you set up. It's going to show you how many times it's been viewed, how many times it's been clicked, and the click-through rate of that particular feature for that video overplay. Video conference.
Hi, so here you can see this is the back end of my client's website, and we have Video Overplay installed, and I wanted to give her something simple that when we transition and she is managing her own website, she will be able to continue to use this product. It's very, very simple to use. So now I'm going to show you again what it looks like on her page. Now once you have constructed Video Overplay on your video and you've uploaded that video, what you're going to end up with is a shortcode that you place on the page where you want to publish the video. And this makes it even simpler when you need to change things or move things around. She would be able to add another Asian culture video here and have a series of them, or she would be able to decide how she wants to continue to communicate this content with her website visitors. And again, here you can see what it looks like. We're going to pause this, and I'm going to just let you see how this plays through after the sign up. So now you can see the pop-up to join her email list has transitioned, and so the visitor just gets to watch and enjoy the rest of the video. So we've given people enough time to increase our stick rate, to engage with the content, to join the mailing list, and then we remove that visual so people can just continue to watch the video in the end if they would like to do that. And then again, they have the option to do the social share. Okay, I'm now in the back end of one of my websites, and what's going to happen is I'm going to process this video, I'm going to upload it in my website, and I'm also going to use Video Overlay in my site to do just what I showed you how to do. So once again, this is a really cool product. You'll see the link where you can go to purchase this product, and again, it's a really modest investment and makes sense for any of you who are just starting out and you want to add a sales funnel and you want to use other people's videos while you're making your own and building your business. Okay, thanks. Take care. This is Anna E. Salas with Tech Talk Cafe and Niche Authority.